have not washed my face, so my face is good to go. I'm going to put on the cream. I've taken just about this much. Let me smell it. It smells like it comes from a clinic. You guys can kind of see already my blotchy skin. And I will let you guys know how this, you know, works on my skin because I do have super sensitive skin. So you're supposed to apply a thin layer, and I have read through the instructions and they do say you're not supposed to keep this on your skin like all day. That's not what this is supposed to be. So it's on my skin. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. Before I wipe off the product, it's been 15 minutes. I had no tingling whatsoever. I do want to mention that this product is cruelty-free and they had women of color in mind when they created this product. And now I'm just ready to wipe it off, and I will be using my black soap to take it off, and then I'm just going to moisturize with my normal moisturizer.